A screw center like this for a specialty chuck like this one is a very handy thing to have. Not everybody really understands what you can do with them. Let me show you how you can use this. I'm going to mount this by clamping down on it inside the jaws of the chuck. Now what's cool about this is it makes it very, very, very easy to get bowl blanks on my lathe. I've got a maple blank I'm working on here. This is going to end up being the top of my bowl. I drilled the correct size hole for my screw center here in the face of the bowl. So now I can drive that onto the screw center. That screw center provides an amazing bite on this bowl, holds it very, very securely. Now what's cool is that I can do all my turning on the bottom of the bowl here, get that shaped. It's a lot easier to work on this bowl upside down, work on the bottom here, than it is when the bowl is up against the headstock. What I'll do is I'll shape it, I'll turn a recess for the jaws of the chuck down here, then the whole bowl can be flipped around and that'll let you hollow the inside. Here's how that's going to work. This way, with the bottom of the bowl done, what I can do now is I can unscrew from that screw center. It's got a really good bite. There we go. remove the screw center from the chuck. Now what's cool, the way this works is that those jaws will expand inside the opening, providing enough holding power for me to do the inside of the bowl. This is a great way to set up bowls. You gotta just love what these scrolling jaw chucks let you do on a lathe.